Some wind noise is normal when driving with a roof rack. However, excessive whistling can often be reduced with a few simple adjustments. Wind noise may be especially noticeable in electric vehicles because there's very little engine noise inside the cabin. In this video, we'll show you 5 effective ways to help reduce it. The shape of the aluminum bar plays an important role in how air moves around the roof rack. Both of our aluminum bar profiles are aerodynamically shaped to help air flow more smoothly and reduce wind resistance while driving. However, some wind noise is normal with any roof rack, especially at highway speeds. Next, check the rubber strips along the aluminum bars. Make sure each strip is fully seated and covers every exposed section of the channel. Even a small opening can disturb the airflow and create a loud whistling sound while driving. The front crossbar receives the strongest airflow and is often the main source of roof rack wind noise. If your mounting system allows adjustment, try moving the front bar approximately 1 to 2 inches toward the rear of the vehicle. Keep the bar centered and straight, then securely retighten both sides. Another way to reduce wind noise is to wrap a rope around the front crossbar in a spiral pattern. This works similarly to the spiral design used on some vehicle antennas, which helps break up a steady airflow. Wrap the rope evenly across the front bar, leaving space between each turn. Finally, secure both ends tightly and keep the rope away from the mounting hardware. For a more effective solution, install a compatible wind fairing on the front crossbar. The fairing redirects airflow over the roof rack, helping reduce turbulence and wind noise at higher speeds. Make sure it is properly positioned and securely tightened before driving. These methods can help reduce roof rack wind noise, but some noise is normal and results may vary by vehicle. After making any adjustments, make sure the roof rack and all accessories are securely tightened before driving. Test each solution to find what works best for your vehicle. Drive safely.